Inspector General of Uganda Police Force. He was born in Wangi village, Oponya South, Atiak Sub-County, Amuru District in northern Uganda. Mr. Chair joined the Uganda Police Force on 4th August 1994. He has risen through the ranks, having started as a cadet assistant superintendent of police, and because of his exceptional services, he obtained a first-class degree in Bachelor of Fine Art and Industrial Art from Acoli University. He thereafter pursued the postgraduate diploma in project planning and management from Uganda Management Institute. In 2005, Mr. Chair, by then a young superintendent of police was posted to work as staff officer by the Department of Research and Planning. He diligently performed his responsibility until 2007. In the same year, he left for East Timor for the executive peacekeeping mission, where he performed with excellency. In the same year, in 2009, the Department of Research and Planning elevated him to the directorate status, and Mr. Chair was one of the passionate planners who helped to nurture it to where it is today. In 2018, Mr. Chair was promoted and appointed Deputy Director of Research, Planning and Development. He performed his enormous responsibility with zeal and commitment until 2022, when he was promoted and appointed Director of Research, Planning and Development in that directorate. Owing to the vast experience and dedicated service to his country, Mr. Chair was promoted to the rank of Deputy Inspector of Police on 25th May 2024 in recognition of his diligent and fearless service to Uganda. In the Uganda Police Force, Zone Life Theological College has awarded Mr. James Bachaya, Deputy Inspector General of Police, and Honorary Doctorate of Humanities. Ladies and gentlemen, let's congratulate our very own
Jonam Theological College, Philadelphia, USA, Africa. We are here to present, to confer honorary degree, Doctor of Humanity upon Acholi James. In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit, from today you will be known and addressed as Dr. Acholi James, with all rights and privileges. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Dr. Acholi James. And delegates, God bless you.
Let's appreciate Mr. James. Next is Honorable